Yo, what's going on, man? We back up in here with another one of them things, man. Shit, dog. Big Beelo, man. Mr. Anime himself. And, man, today, I just want to talk, bro. Like, I know it's been a while since I did, my live videos, you know what I'm saying? Trying to do the motivational speaking or whatever. I just really wasn't getting the feedback that I wanted from that. So I kind of just fell off with it. But man, I really just, you know what I'm saying? Like I've been thinking about a lot of stuff. I've been researching a lot of stuff. And yeah, man, I probably done said this before, man, but like I really ain't going as hard as I should, but at the same time I'm going hard. I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna say this right here. You don't have to go extremely hard to get to where you're trying to go. You don't. There is a such thing as work smart, not hard. And my researching and reading, and you know what I'm saying, you might catch you a couple YouTube videos or, you know what I'm saying, things like that right there. Hey man, that's really the cheat code, bro. Like there's really a cheat code to life, and I'm learning it. Like I'm real deal learning, like it's real deal cheat code to life. Like I done watched a few people, man. I done did, you know what I'm saying, I done read a few books. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm getting to the point to where now I'm gonna start trying to get my kids on it. You know what I'm saying? You know, Ashton 19, Bree 14, about to be 15, Jordan 10. Like, I need them to be, like, mentally in the loop. You know what I'm saying? Especially my 14, my 15-year-old. You know what I'm saying? Ace, you know, he'll be starting school next year. You know what I'm saying? I mean, even Ashley, like, I gotta get everybody in the loop, man, with what's going on out here, because we've been doing this wrong the whole time. Like, we've been doing this so wrong, bro. And I ain't gonna say blame ourselves. I ain't gonna say blame our parents, because, hell, they didn't know. You know what I'm saying? But like, I've been spending a lot of time reading, man, and it's interesting the amount of knowledge you gain, and you know what I'm saying, the way it makes you look. It gives you a different outlook on stuff when you read something. You be like, now this just damn crazy. Here I am, busting my ass trying to do this right here, blah blah blah, and I ain't even have to be doing all that. Like, I could have been doing something else. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. I wanted to come in and say that. You know what I'm saying? And everything that I've researched and you know what I'm saying, read and all like that, I'm gonna put y'all up on it, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna gather everything together, and I'm gonna put y'all up on it. You know what I'm saying? Hey y'all, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna use these links. Hey y'all using these links, man, so y'all can, you know what I'm saying, you know, purchase these items. And man, get y'all self together, man, because I really don't think that we were put here to struggle like this. Like, I don't think we was put here to struggle. But it's just like, you know what I'm saying, video games back in the day. You know what I'm saying? When you first bought that video game and you ain't had a cheat code, man, you was playing basic. You was playing basic. Like, you was punching, kicking, you know what I'm saying? Or you know, just, you know, you just playing basic, whatever it was. Until you found, you know what I'm saying, them codes to enhance your gameplay. You know what I'm saying? Then you was you was top tier. You know what I'm saying? And that's how you gotta look at life, bro. It's like you gotta enhance your gameplay, bro. You know what I'm saying? You gotta enhance your gameplay, because if you don't enhance your gameplay, you know what I'm saying, you're gonna be playing on the entry level for a long time. You know what I'm saying? Maybe for the rest of your life if you don't find that knowledge, man. So yeah, you know what I'm saying, man. We about to shift in another gear, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, hey, if you have not subscribed already, man, go on over to Life of Ash and B, subscribe to that. I think we about to start posting over there again. The Instagram, Life of Ash and B, we'll start posting over there. I'm gonna start trying to post a little more, man, business type stuff. You know what I'm saying? As far as my Instagrams and all that. But yeah, man. Hey, man, we gotta, bruh. we gotta up the ante, man. We gotta up the ante. We gotta play for the big stakes, dog, cause it's so simple. Like, it's the research I was looking at, bro. The research I was doing and stuff I was looking at, man. This shit so simple, dog. Like, it's simple. It's simple. You don't even need a laptop. You don't even need a computer. You got your phone. It's simple, bro. And I ain't talking about no YouTube recording no videos. I'm talking about just life, period. Like, it's crazy, bro. But yeah, it's crazy. Yo, what's happening, man? I got all work, man. Heading to the door dash. About to door dash. Out here, man, doing that deal. So we're gonna try to get some cars today, man. So let me get out here and get set up. I'll hit y'all in a second. Hold on. Yeah. So I told y'all, man, we was gonna get some cars today, man. She still sitting over here? Yep, he's still sitting over there. So I'm gonna go around, do a double back one time, cause I got an order. I gotta go drop off, but I'm gonna do a double back. And y'all gonna see this car on my DoorDash sighting segment, man, on Instagram, and on it's gonna be a Reels on Instagram, and it's gonna be a short on YouTube. Check him out. That is a nice automobile. What is that, a 68? I think it's a 68. Maybe a 69. I'm almost certain it's a 69, but I ain't sure. I'm looking at those back skirts back there. But that hug of orange, white stripes, yeah, it works for me. It works for me all day. But yeah, I did record that car with the cell phone, man, for the DoorDash sighting segment of everything. I gotta get back to posting those. Like, I don't even know where I stopped at on my shorts, but I know I've been posting the Instagram Reels. But yeah, I gotta get back to those interactions, because man, y'all need that type of stuff. Man, I don't know why these people make a driveway complicated. Like, how do you make a driveway complicated? Come on, man. But yeah. So to piggyback off of what I was saying earlier, man, there's old Cutlass, you know, there too, some 22s on it. I might get that when I come back. No, there ain't nothing special though. Just, you know, they just put some wheels on his car. There ain't no build or nothing. It might be a project though. Definitely might be a project. But yeah, man, just man, we gotta get up, man, and handle business. You know what I'm saying? Do this research, man, and arm ourselves with this knowledge so that we can't say nobody doing us wrong, or we can't say nobody, you know what I'm saying? You know, all right. All right, going back though. I've been seeing them for the last couple of days. Man, hopefully man, I can get y'all one of these big old houses, man. I went to a neighborhood last night, boy, and I was like, but it was dark though, so y'all probably weren't gonna see it too good. That wasn't a neighborhood, that was a community. And I said, sheesh. But yeah, man, we can't, you know, if you arm yourself, man, with the knowledge, the research, putting the work in on certain things, man, can't nobody do you wrong because you already armed with it. So you just, you know what I'm saying? You float how you float at that point. But you gotta get there first. Like, you gotta get the knowledge first. Don't wait on nobody to give it to you. Don't wait on nobody to present it to you. You know what I'm saying? Go get it yourself. If you got an idea about something, you know what I'm saying, type it in. Like, at this point, everything on the internet. So, it ain't no excuse for real. Because everything is on the internet. Like, I just looked up something not too long ago, you know what I'm saying? Found out his videos on how to do this. I'm like, man, I'm gonna do this. See what I can get from it. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. Y'all gotta put that work in with that research. It smell like I smell some race gas. Yeah. Hopefully, man, I'll be able to get y'all a whole. Hey, what y'all think about this old vintage? I think I asked y'all this before though. This vintage, man, BeeloNation. I think this was one of my first shirts. I don't even think I had these for sale, I don't think. If I did, nobody buy them. I don't think. What y'all think? Y'all think I need to revamp these, man, and bring them back? What y'all think about that design right there? The MayRose outline. I think I might need to bring them back. I think I mentioned this before though. Toyota Highlander. Yeah, man, let me go ahead and deliver this little food right fast. And I'll probably pick this camera back up in a minute, man. For sure, pick it up. I see some cars though. For sure. Gotta get y'all there. I'm trying to get it before it get too dark. I'm trying to get anything I can before it get too dark. Yeah. Well, y'all, didn't see no more cars, but did get y'all that one, I guess. So, well, I seen coloring, but I couldn't grab my camera in time. We were going in two different directions, so. But yeah, man, I'm finna go ahead and lay it down, man, because I gotta get up early in the morning, man, and do this again. I gotta keep doing it until something change. So that being said, man, it's your dog. Big Beelo, man. Mr. Ain't Man himself. I'll catch y'all in the next one, man.